Welcome, Mama, to your Core Restore Diastasis Recti Exercises Post-Baby Core Recovery. I'm Cheri, pre- and postnatal specialist, and I'm passionate about helping moms to get in shape during and after pregnancy to get you strong, fit, and sassy. Here is my ab rehab playlist for you to save and practice it every day so you can heal your diastasis recti faster and progress into other core exercises. In this playlist, you will also find fun videos to heal your DR exercising together with your baby. If you haven't yet, take advantage of my free ebook guide that I've created for moms on how to heal diastasis recti with all the tips and tricks and everything you need to know about healing your core post-baby. The link is in the description box down below. Alrighty, without any further ado, let's get into our workout to heal your DR and flatten your tummy. Alrighty, let's make our way all the way down onto our backs safely through the side to protect your core. I want you right away to glue your lower back into the mat so there is no gap in between your lower back and the floor. We've got today 10 exercises. Each goes for 50 seconds work and 10 seconds rest. Okay, navel towards your lower back, glue that lower back to the floor. First exercise, heel touches. You're gonna reach and touch your heel. You can lift your head here, crunching our side body, our obliques. Strong core engagement and nice steady breath. Navel in towards the lower back. Lower back presses into the floor. You can always bring one hand underneath the lower back and make sure, check that you don't have any gap in there. Nice, steady breath. Very nice. Rest, take a deep breath in, tummy expands. Exhale and begin to march, lifting one leg, then the other, lifting up. Engage your pelvic floor. Imagine you holding a blueberry with your vagina and you're picking up the blueberry. So strong pelvic floor engagement. You need more challenge. You can bring your arms overhead without losing lower back mat connection. Slow movement, no need to rush. Keep squeezing that navel towards your lower back and lower back in towards the floor. Very nice, and rest. Breathe into your tummy. Exhale, engage, half dead back. Knees on top of your hips, and we're only gonna move the arms. You gotta focus on squeezing the lower back into the mat and only moving your arms, alternating between left and right, up and down, down and up. Are you breathing, Mama? Breathe. You're gonna exhale on the effort. Good job. Also remember to smile. Very nice. Place your feet down. Take a breath in and out. Bridges. Lift your tush up, squeeze your glutes, And as you lower, I want you to find that lower back mat connection. Inhale, lift, squeeze your tush, lower, engage. So core engaged, pelvic floor engaged, holding that blueberry with your vagina. Smile and breathe. Last one. Take a breath in, belly expands. Exhale, bring your legs back into a tabletop, and we're gonna do wind wheelchairs. You're gonna drop your knees to one side, bring it back to center, find that lower back floor connection, take it to the other side. Both shoulder blades on your mat. You're twisting from your waist, using all our deep core, our obliques, to drop the legs to one direction, then the other. Slow movement, no need to rush. Very nice. Take a breath in and out. Legs back into tabletop, toe taps. Tap one toe to the floor and the other. Checking that lower back floor connection. Make sure there is no gap. Make sure there is no coning or doming in your tummy. So squeezing that navel in towards your lower back. And again, if you want more challenge, you can bring your arms overhead without losing lower back and floor connection. Deep core on fire. Woohoo! Very nice. Take a break. And twist onto your side. We will take it into a side plank. Onto your forearm, lift your hips nice and high. Squeeze your oblique. You can bring one arm up to the sky or overhead. Just holding. Lift it higher and focus on squeezing your side body. Just hold. 50 seconds, it's a lot. But you can do it because you are strong. Yes, you are, mama, you are strong. If you were able to go through labor, you can hold a side plank for 50 seconds, believe me. Beautiful. Let's gently switch it to the other side. Lift up. You can hold your arm up, squeeze, lift your hips higher, higher, or hand behind your head. Just breathe. Smile. We have 2 more exercises to go after this. And that's it. So give yourself your best. Lift those hips higher. Squeeze that side body. Breathe deeper. Breathe fuller. Lift higher. Lower. Very nice. Let's find a tabletop position. Bird dog. Shoulders over wrist, hips over knees. One arm extended, opposite leg. Slowly place it down. Now here I want you to draw the navel in towards your lower back. Strong, strong core engagement. As you extend, reach through your toes, stretch back through your heel. Breathe. No need to rush. Pause a little bit, hold. Very nice. Breathe in and out. Last exercise, bear hold back into tabletop, tuck your toes under. You're gonna lift your knees, push the earth away. Really squeeze that navel towards your lower back, hold. At any point that you need, you can lower your knees down, take a breath, and then get back up. So it's all about squeezing that navel in and up, 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 towards your lower back, towards the sky. Engage. No need to lift those knees high, just a little bit above the ground. Breathe. And we are done. Get up, shake out those wrists, little circles, and now stand up on your feet. Inhale, arms up to the sky. Exhale, hands to your heart. One more just like that. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, hands to the heart. Now place your hands on your hips and do a little celebration dance. Woohoo! You did it, you did it. Good job for creating time of yourself, for taking care of your body. Keep showing up for yourself. Keep doing the work, because your health is very important. Then stronger, then healthier you, then more you can give to your babies and to your family. So it always begins with you, all about you, because when we are best, we can give the best to our loved ones. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Thank you for practicing with me. Remember to save my playlist and come back to these exercises every day. It's a short practice, no excuses approach. You can do it. I believe in you. Thank you so much from my heart to yours. Namaste.